Hi there! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ariana from Crafting Happiness and I post step-by-step tutorials and crochet patterns for beginners every week here on YouTube. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change colors on the Alpine stitch pattern when you work with two colors side by side, in this case white and orange. We are ready to make the last front post double crochet stitch in white. And we will just partially complete it before we switch colors to orange. So we're just gonna leave two loops on a hook and change back to orange, and we're just gonna yarn over and pull through the two loops. And you can notice here the string is quite visible, so we will need to hide that. If we don't hide it and we just do a regular double crochet stitch, it will be quite visible, not very nice to look at. So let me show you how I change colors. I yarn over, I go behind this strand here, and then I make my double crochet as usual. And you can see now the strand is now really visible from either side. I am now crocheting the double crochet row, and I'll show you how I change colors here as well. So I'm on my last double crochet stitch in orange, and I just started as usual, but I stop when I have two loops on my hook. The yarn always goes to the back, and then I switch to white and pull it through, and again you see this yarn here, which is not very pretty to look at. And I do the same thing. I yarn over, I go around it, and then I just do my double crochet stitch as usual. And this is how it looks like now. Let me show you if I don't go around it and I just leave it like that. So I just do my double crochet stitch without going around the yarn. Now you can clearly see it. You can see the color change, and it's not very pretty. So I recommend you go yarn over, go around the yarn, and under the hook, the stitch, and pull through all, and then do your double crochet stitch as usual. So now I completed the double crochet row, and I made the front post double crochet stitches up until it's time to change colors again, and this time it will be from a double crochet stitch to a front post double crochet stitch. So let's make a partial double crochet stitch. Stop when you have two loops on a hook, move your yarn to the back and pick up the other color and yarn over and pull through. And again you see this not so pretty color change yarn going right in front. We need to hide that, but this time we will be making a front post double crochet right here. What I do is go first around this yarn right here, the one that goes right in front. So go around it, then yarn over, and then you make your front post double crochet stitch. Pull up your long loop, pull up through all these strings, so you'll have 3 instead of 2, and then you'll have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through those as well. And as you can see, it hides the transition quite well. I'll show you how it would look like if you wouldn't hide this yarn. So if you just do your normal front post double crochet stitch, so yarn over and just go around the post, pull through, and there it is. You can see it. It will look like that. And this is how you make the transition from a double crochet stitch to front post double crochet. And if you look at all 3 changes that we've made, you can't see the transition between colors at all. And this is how you change colors on an Alpine stitch when you work with 2 colors side by side.